Most people think starting a business means having money first, a product, an office, investors. They see someone successful and think, that person had a head start. I don't. But here's what they don't see. Almost every successful entrepreneur started with one thing, a skill they could offer someone else. No funding, no office, no product, just a skill. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a real business starting from zero. Even if you're a student, even if you're broke, and even if you have no idea where to start. Most beginners spend their time looking for shortcuts. They search for how to make money fast. They watch 40 videos. They get overwhelmed. And then they do nothing. The real issue is not lack of opportunity. The real issue is not knowing what to do first. There is a specific order to building a business. When you follow it, everything becomes clear. Before we get into the steps, let's kill the biggest myth. You do not need money to start a business. Not a product, not an office, not a brand, not even a website. What you need is a skill that solves a real problem for a real person. That's it. This is called a service-based business, and it's the fastest, cheapest way to go from zero to your first income online. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be just good enough to help someone who knows less than you. That gap between what you know and what they don't is where your business lives. Step 1, pick the right skill. Not just any skill, a skill that has real demand. Video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, web design, AI tools, email marketing, any of these can become a business. But here's the mistake most people make. They try to learn everything at once. Don't pick one. Go deep, get good. One focused skill beats 5 half-learned ones every single time.
Here's where most beginners waste months. They keep learning, watching tutorials, taking courses, buying books, and they never actually start. This is called the learning trap.
You don't need to be a master. You need to be about 20% better than your first client. Spend 30 days learning the basics. Practice on fake projects, then build 2 to 3 examples of your work. That collection is called a portfolio. This is the step everyone gets stuck on. Where do you find clients? I'll give you the honest answer. Not on Fiverr, not by posting on Instagram and hoping someone finds you. You find your first client by reaching out directly. Make a list of 20 to 30 businesses or people who could benefit from your skill. Find someone who needs you, then send them a short, clear message. You will get ignored a lot. But if you send 30 messages, at least 2 to 3 will reply, and that's all you need. Outreach is a numbers game. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Mistake 1, waiting until you're ready. You will never feel ready. The only thing that makes you ready is starting. Every day you wait is a day someone else is practicing. Mistake 2, charging too little because you're scared. Clients don't trust cheap. Mistake 3, building a brand before you have a client. You don't need a logo. You don't need a website. You need a client first. Mistake 4, giving up after 1 rejection. Outreach is a numbers game. Every no gets you closer to a yes. The people who succeed aren't the most talented. They're the most consistent. Let's bring it all together. Step 1, pick one in-demand skill. Step 2, get good enough in 30 days. Step 3, do direct outreach to 20 to 30 potential clients. No money needed, no experience needed, just focus and consistency. If you follow this, you already know more than most people who've been thinking about starting a business for years. The next video covers the exact skills making people money right now. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if this helped, share it with one person who needs to hear it.